Hey everybody, today we're unboxing a monthly subscription service designed by a former Disney Imagineer. It's called Imagine What. It's described here on the box as world building in a box. So this is a monthly product that you subscribe to. It's created by former Imagineer Kevin Lively, who you may have seen if you watched Behind the Attraction. He talked a lot about the Jungle Cruise on that show on Disney+. Now he's a freelance writer and creative consultant, and he has this new subscription box, so we're gonna see what's inside. So it's called Imagine What. Okay, so it has some tips and tricks here. I'll read that. There is no right or wrong way to use this box, only a suggested way. Use the starter story to begin your world building. Add your own details to make it your story. Use the Expand Your World notepad to sketch out and jot down ideas to include in your world. On the bottom of the paper is a prompt to inspire you. Save any unused sheets for your future Imagine What worlds. Want to start a whole new world or add a twist to this month's theme? Roll the dice for inspiration. Every month you'll receive a new dice with suggestions like a genre, time period, or character type. As you collect more dice, you can mix and match to create bigger, better worlds. Your activity might not come out looking exactly like the picture, and that's great. Make it your own. After all, it lives in your world. Share your worlds with the community by emailing your writings, drawings, and photos to contact@imaginewhatbox.com. They might be featured on the Patreon page. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. So this is what it looks like when I opened it. Okay, so this one is holiday themed, it looks like. There's a little abominable snow person designed by, it looks like Say, S-E-Y, saystudios.net. And this is like a little booklet. Let's see, it says inside this box, it has an Imagine What zine, which it describes as pages of inspiration and instruction, and Expand Your Story pad. It says use this pad of paper to explore your world through words or drawings. Pareidolia ornaments, I'm not sure if I said that word correctly, the tools and instructions to create your own holiday decor, that's pretty cool, and a wild card dice. It says, how can you change your world? This month's dice includes types of eras. Ask the dice when your story should take place. Use it on past story prompts or combined with other wild card dice. And then there's some instructions for creating or submitting your ideas, and it has a little teaser of a palm tree that says coming next month. So for any budding Imagineers, theme park designers, video game artisans in your family, this seems like a great kind of build your own version of that. Kind of everything you need to imagine and create the worlds that you would want to build if you were in a career on any of those fields. So starting off with this, the Imagine What Holiday Worlds zine, as it's described, it has a little Christmas poem, holiday poem, some prompts in here. It has some submissions from the community, the Imagine What community, for a previous box that was in the subscription. So that's the idea. If you are inspired to create something, if you follow the prompts from your box, then you submit it, you could potentially have your ideas shared in future boxes. And then here's an interview with a pro. It looks like this pro's name is Kate Grasso, who is an author, historian, and content creator specializing in Disney Parks history. And it has a video with her online as well, but here's a brief interview with her. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so that's what it looks like underneath the zine. Okay, so it has this dice that you are supposed to roll to kind of get you started on your creative journey within the prompts of the box. So the dice, so if you can imagine, like, all right, you're going through the creative process, you're developing something, you're building something, but you just need a starting off point, right? Maybe you roll the dice and your project, your design is going to take place in the age of piracy, or maybe it takes place in modern day, 1950s, the Stone Age, ancient Rome, the future. Yeah, so just kind of to get you started. Here's a, looks like a scroll, or, okay, I guess we'll see what it is. Oh, it's a bag. Oh, okay. So we got some paints here. That's really cool. Some ribbon, multiple ribbons. Oh wow, lots of ribbons. Okay, so all different kinds of ribbons. Like we said, this is the holiday box, so I'm assuming it has something to do with that. Oh yeah, it was saying ornaments. Okay. Cool. So there's like different shapes, but you, the artist, fill in what they are, and then you get to hang them up. So that's really cool. Then there's also paintbrushes and a notepad, sketch pad that says who, what, when, where, why, and you got all the pages there. So that's what comes in this box. So it basically is like if this could be used for kids and adults, I feel like is a good just like brain break isn't quite the word because it seems like it's quite stimulating to creative development and informative about the creative process, but just like a great activity to do to maybe not only bring out your artistic side but also potentially educate and inform potential future designers in various fields about that ideation process of what is the first step when you're designing a theme park space or a video game or a movie or a story of any kind that is going to be experienced by somebody else. So again, this is called Imagine What, and you can find out more at imaginewhatbox.com. We will of course link that in the video description. Imagine What, monthly subscription box designed by former Disney Imagineer Kevin Lively.